Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to install and join Google Classroom on your REALME 9. So in order to do that, we'll need to open our Google Play Store. From here, start search for an app and write Google Classroom. Hit the search button, then select this app and install it. After installation process is complete, we can open our app. From here, click Get Started, select the account you want to bind to the classroom or add another one. I'm going with this one already existing, and here press on this plus button, then join class. Here you'll need to enter the class code which you should be provided with, and after entering correct class code, click join, and that way you'll be joined with a class. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.